So, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you how to aim while pass. To pass, you have to press X or square button. Press it longer for stronger pass and shorter for weaker pass. To aim while passing, right before pass you have to move left analog. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.